Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sanjith and I head the Department of Critical Care at the SL Raheja Hospital in Mumbai. And we are now in the middle of the pandemic and we are dealing with a large number of cases that come out of COVID. We are going to have more cases and there's going to be a surge coming in probably in the next week or so. And at this time, it's so important that we understand protocols and especially the nutrition protocols, which probably should be based on volume-based feeding. And I'll tell you why that should be so. In the webinar that we're going to take on 17th April between 4 and 5. And I thank Nestle Health Sciences and DocMode for having taken this initiative at this time because this is needed. So see you at between 4 and 5 on 17th April. Bye-bye.